What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about the Enigma Pocket Probe by my friend Nathan over at Rat Bastard Design. I've wanted to have one of these in for a while. Finally got one. He let me have one at the show. So let's not talk about it anymore. Let's go ahead and listen to a little bit of music. Nathan is a friend of mine. He let me have this for use on the channel. But first, this is Real Terrain Hobbies. This is another one of those guys that makes the miniatures, the dioramas. He likes to say he does all things miniature. I think he's building a haunted house in this one. Great, great channel. I can't give him any money, but I definitely can send you guys his direction to give him some views. So go check him out, give him some likes, give him some subscribes. Support the channels you love. So, like I said, this is the Enigma Pocket Probe. It's Prybar, tweezers, combo, there's all kinds of stuff on it. We're going to take a good close look at it. So without any further ado and any more pontification, let's go look at it from above. So guys, you guys know I'm friends with Nathan. You saw it in the video. This is, I already took it off the thing. This is the Enigma Pocket Probe. It's Prybar, tweezers. There's a lot of stuff on this and it's really cool. But it's like I say, everything you need and nothing you know. So you got tweezers, 5/16 hex, 22 millimeter ruler, bottle opener, pry tip, 1/4 inch hex, 1.5 inch standard ruler, and a bit slot. So you got a lot of stuff on this. There's all kinds of things you can do with this. It has the removable bit. So let's go ahead and we'll get this out of the way and we'll talk about it. So this thing is not heavy at all. This thing's coming in at 1.24 ounces. So throwing it in your pocket, not too hard to do. You've got the tweezers. You've got this bit driver. I always have a problem with the bit driver because I have big hands. But it comes, come on, come. So you have this bit driver that comes out. You can stick it in here, so you can have a Phillips or a flathead. It is angled so that it won't come out. You can only put it in one side. Once you take that out, then if you look at it, you've got all the other features. You got your rulers, you got your hex bits, you got your flathead, or see your flat face here for a pry bar. It works really well as a pry bar. Nice little bottle opener and tweezers. Now, I will tell you, the tweezers on this are really functional. For as big as they are and as big as this is, they are really functional. I was messing around with them. I was seeing how well they held things. So even smaller things, you can get a good grip on anything, even out at the tip. So they're really well done. A lot of times you get these things that have tweezers built into them and are like dinged up and they don't grab anything. All kinds of features on this, and they are just super attractive. And it's one of those things, if you have this, and people see it, it's gonna get people's attention. You know what I mean? It's one of those things where you're gonna get people's attention just by having this in your pocket. So you've got a lot of stuff that, man, cars drive by every time I do this. A lot of stuff you can do in your pocket. And like I said, it's attractive, it's light, it is a really good pry bar. They do have slips for this, where you can get the actual leather slips. You can change this out if you had a different bit. Like say that you, you've got this, but then you've got, a lot of times I have this with me when I go places. You can use this as a driver for just about any of the bits that you already have. I just use this as a driver, like a T driver. So, apologize for background noise, guys. I've got the door open for ventilation. It's not hot, but it's definitely. But at any rate, so like I said, really, really well made. They're really attractive. They come in a bunch of different colors. Like I said, the engraving and everything that's on it is great. So yeah, guys, these things are a lot of fun. I never really had gotten into pry bars till I saw this one. I didn't really see that they, I didn't see them as being practical, but then I saw how many things are on this, and it was just the design of it that kind of drew me to it. And pry bars are one of those knife adjacent things. I'm probably going to get a leather slip for this if I keep it. This may go back to Nathan. I'm not sure yet, but it has been used. It has been used. I used it for a couple things. I don't know. I tried to use it as a spudger, and I don't think it was a real good idea because I was trying to get something made out of plastic apart, and I used it as a spudger, and it definitely was kind of outside of what I should have done. But like I said, if you've got a bit, you can see the bit with the little hole on it, or with the little nub on it. It slides right down in there, and then it's way harder to get back out than it is to get in there. But yeah, no technical difficulties this time. You got both your rulers, like I said, tweezers. This thing's just a lot of fun just to have, just because it's cool looking. It looks futuristic and something that you'd see out of a science fiction movie. So, guys, like I said, just short video right now. That's all I really got on it. You can get these several different places. The last place I saw them was EDC Specialties. This is also, you can follow their website and see when they're available. You can find them at a bunch of different places. I know that they were on Blade HQ, Knife Center. These are in AL4V grade 5 titanium. So if you're the kind of guy that likes to re-anodize things, I would say it would be a good idea to mask off these points so they don't get dinged if you're going to resurface it. But yeah, you could stonewash this, do your own color scheme if you want, just got a raw one, things like that. So lots and lots of fun. I love Nathan and Michelle. They were a lot of fun at the show. They always are. Guarantee that you guys had fun with them on the podcast. So without any further ado, let's turn this around, do some final thoughts on the Enigma Pocket Pro. Hey guys, lots of cool features on this. This was one of the first Prybars I ever saw, and I was like, that makes sense. It was one of the first ones I saw that made me think. I said it was one of the first ones I saw that made me think, yeah, I could get behind having a Prybar. This one is not as small as some of the others I've seen. There's another Prybar we've got coming, which is one of the ones from Cerberus Knives. Eventually we'll have one of those. But this one's cool because it's got the tweezers, lots of little functions, and it is a really, really cool thing. And I realize I say really, really a lot, but really, really, I do really, really like it. So, guys, that's it on this one. Really quick, because it's not a knife. There's not as many features, not as many moving parts, but it is fun. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like the videos, give them a thumbs down. But please try to tell me what you don't like. I can't change content if I don't know what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as what I do with the channels playing behind me. Share that content with someone you think might be interested, and it helps the channel out. But if you do want to support the channel financially, lots of ways you can do it. I've got the Join Membership tab down below. You can become a paying member or get into exclusive content, exclusive giveaways. Early access to the videos the moment they go up, like the guys that got to see all 6 episodes of Blade Show West last week before they ever got scheduled. I have affiliate links if you are looking for any of the tools that I might use, some knives that I recommend, stones, things like that. You can find those in the affiliate links down below. And the last way that you really can support is if you would like to buy some of my merch. I have a merchandise store through Ember Shirt Co. So there's a link to Ember Shirt Co. and my merch store. I have a coupon code that will save you 10% at checkout at any of the Ember Shirt Co. stores. So if you don't necessarily like my designs, but you like something else, you can still use my coupon code, CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, all one word, CrazySharp, saves you 10% at checkout. That's it on this one, guys. I love you all. Take care of yourselves. Keep it clean in the comments section below. Makes it easier to monetize or to moderate that. If it's your birthday, happy birthday, and I will see you in the next video.